Right, have a quick flick through shorts. Well, short videos, not shorts. These are jeans. Never heard of them, only in Sons, but it's footed in Denmark. Just some grey Sons jeans, and then there's two of these Future garments, long cargos. There's two of those. Not heard of them either. I do check them all. Never heard of this one. Masai women's grey check trousers. Then there's Therapy Alex skinny number 10. Just some skinny jeans. And then what else was there? I can't remember. Oh, Decathlon these are. Yeah, cool.